To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Welcome back to DD Tech TV guys, and today we are going to unbox this Galaxy F23 5G. So I bought this phone from Samsung.com itself, and I have the aqua blue version and 128GB with 6GB RAM storage, and this is a 5G phone as you can see, and this has 750 Snapdragon, and it also has a 120Hz display. The display is basically not a Super AMOLED, but it's a TFT Full HD display screen. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box you get a SIM ejector tool and a USB-C Type 2 C-Type cable. You don't get any charger with this phone, which is really bad. And here is the phone itself. It looks really nice, as you can see. I really like this color, and the finish is basically a matte finish. This is not a glossy finish, and it is plastic, but the quality is really great. I don't see that this phone will get any scratch really soon, so that is a nice thing. So let's talk about what you get in this phone. So here you have the volume rocker buttons, and here is the power button, and it has the fingerprint sensor as well. And here you get the 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle, and it's a 2 megapixel macro camera with LED flash. And on the top you have the secondary microphone, and on the left side you have a SIM ejector, and this is SIM slot. Basically it has dual SIM with a separate micro SD card supported, so that is a good thing. And the best thing is that it has a 3.5mm jack and a USB-C type cable, a microphone, and this is a speaker. So in the front you have the 8 megapixel camera. So I'll show you how the fingerprint works. So you can see it's quite fast. And the display, you can see it's a 20Hz display, so feels very smooth. I'm not sure if you are able to see in the recording, but the phone is very smooth. And the screen quality, I must say that it's a really nice screen. I don't feel any major difference, and you can see the viewing angles from the other side. So the viewing angles are really nice, as you can see. So it's a pretty nice phone. Let's see the storage itself. We go to the battery and device care, as you can see the storage is 128GB and RAM is 6GB. Let's quickly check the software version as well. So you can see it's on the latest 4.1 UI version, and the last update is of 1 May 2022, which is the Google Play update, and it has Android version 12. And rest, I think the latest patch was 1 July 2022, and the manufacturing of this phone is September 2022. So these are pretty much I would say a really great phone in this budget. So let's quickly check the camera. Let's take a quick photo. The quality of the camera is decent. I would say not the best, but it's decent, and the condition is the indoor, so I can say it's okay in the indoor. And let's quickly see the macro camera as well. Go into the more and then select the macro. So let's zoom in a bit. Yeah, so I think it's only 2 megapixels, so the quality is decent according to the megapixel, I would say. So this is the quick unboxing of this Galaxy F23. So I'll be doing a quick camera review of the phone as well, so just wait for it. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe this channel, and if you have any questions about this phone, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.